Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, just go down, click here on my Learning down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here and you click here on your name. So then come to your profile here, then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then come to this list, then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You just waiting to open video here, so it's going to take a time. And you click here on advertising data here. So then come to this list, you click here on location and you come here to use postal code and city location data here. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's when enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.